So I wanted to do a quick video on the Simpson turbo spray nozzle that I picked up off of Amazon, and I've unboxed this. I've been cleaning my patio and it works very well, very effectively. And if you guys are looking for a good tip that can, clean your concrete, like you guys can see, this area is clean and this area is not. And if you're looking for something that can get you away from the conventional flat tips that leave those lines in the concrete, the turbo tip's a good way to go. So if you guys are like us and you're looking for a way to transform your backyard from a slimy, dirty, nasty area to a beautiful, peaceful place to spend time with your family, let's review this tip. It does awesome, and I can't wait to show you guys the results. Alright, so to attach a tip, it's just your conventional 1/4 inch. This is good up to 4,500 PSI. I'm today going to be just using a electric Greenworks 1,700 PSI, so this will work for like small commercial equipment as well as residential equipment. So the thing that I like about this is the tip. The cone pattern on this is very focused. It does a very good job at directing the cone down to like a specific tight circle, where the tip that came with it, the turbo tip that came with the Greenworks, it was more of a wider circle, and it wasn't as effective, where this is a tighter cone, and I feel like it pulls the grime and all this crap off of the asphalt and the blacktop and everything a lot easier. I think it's more effective at cleaning the concrete. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys up on a different lens. I'm going to finish cleaning the patio. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done. This Simpson turbo tip definitely took my Greenworks pressure washer machine to the next level. And not only did it make it easier to pressure wash my patio, but the results were much better than the old cheap pressure washer plastic tip that came with it versus a full stainless steel barrel and stainless steel ball inside. It's gonna last longer and it's gonna give you a better result, which shows in the video. So we're finishing up, and if you guys just want to see the line between like what's clean and what's not, it's a significant difference. Does a good job. As you guys can see, there's no lines in the concrete, just right along there. So it goes from green blackish to nice clean concrete. So let's finish this up, and then I'll put all the patio furniture back on, show you what it looks like with the concrete dry, and that'll wrap up today's video review. Wow guys, look how good everything looks after everything is dried. Living in the Pacific Northwest with 6 months of non-stop rain, one of the first things we always do getting the yard prepped for summer during springtime is pressure washing all the grime and grossness off of all the stuff outside, and it looks awesome. I can't wait to get out here and start barbecuing. If you guys like product reviews like these, make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video to help out the channel and subscribe for more reviews. If you guys have any comments or questions you'd like to leave down below, let me know, and I'll make sure I personally get back to each and every one of you guys and answer them for you. And my biggest thing is trying to keep the inside of the house clean with the dogs, so I love to pressure wash the patio, because when you come in, you don't track all the dirt and everything back into the house. Well guys, we are all done. That's going to be it for today's video. I am very happy with this Simpson pressure washer turbo tip. I would highly recommend. I'll have a link in the description down below. The concrete looks beautiful, and I think for $45 it's a good investment. There's absolutely no lines anywhere on the concrete that you can see. It came out very evenly, and it looks beautiful and amazing. It's a nice place to come out here and spend time, and it just freshens everything up. That's the fun thing with pressure washing. The tip worked really good as well. I cleaned off all my furniture. I even cleaned off all the cushions, as well as all of the wicker and everything here, the table. So cleaned all this stuff off. Looks nice and clean. And the funny part is, my wife got home from work last night, came out, and she pruned all these flowers along the back fence line. Didn't even notice that I pressure washed. So there we go. But anyway guys, leave me some comments down below. Hit the thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.